Alright, so today I am going to do a little pumpkin succulent tutorial. I saw this on Pinterest, thought I would try it, and wanted to share it with you guys. So this is my Tuesday tutorial, a fall succulent pumpkin. Pumpkin is from Walmart. It is, I don't know, it was $5.99 I think. And what I'm going to do is cut out the top, or attempt with some kind of a knife, or this little saw I have here, to just reveal the hollow insides. Part, getting a hole. If I started with the scissors and just made a hole and then kind of allowed this little saw to go in, but I think you could just use any kind of sharp knife because it really is just hardened styrofoam. You make it prettier than mine. We don't really need this anymore, so inside you'll see that it's completely hollow. I have seen people put an actual base down in here with their succulents sticking out, and then they covered your edges with moss. I, however, am going to use all artificial succulents just for this tutorial so I can show you now and not have to deal with all the dirt. So first I'm going to use some floral styrofoam. Alright, so I got these at Hobby Lobby. You can get them half off. I tried to get some fall colors with the reds, and I'm going to do this in each one and put them down in the foam. I'm going to start with my biggest one first, and you kind of play around with it while it's inside before you do it. Alright, so I'm actually going to use my hot glue gun and glue down this piece of floral into the bottom so that it stays upright. Alright, so I've put one in, and then I'm going to fill them in with the rest. So I've got two down in there. I've pushed them down through the foam. Simple enough. Don't worry about your edging. We're going to do some moss around the edges, but this stem actually came with two, so look for succulents with two so you can break them up and get two for the price of one. There you go. There's a simple succulents down in the pot. Now again, you can do this with live plants. You just cut your hole big enough to put an actual planter pot down in. But this is easier for me, so I will be filling up these holes with moss, and I'll show you that next. Alright, so here's what I have so far. Even this baby one, I just took out the stem and shoved those in its place. This would be great for a centerpiece or something fun for fall that's not necessarily orange or Halloween. I still have to add my moss, and we'll do that next. Okay, so I just added the moss. I picked up this moss at Hobby Lobby. There's so many different kinds of moss. You could hot glue on the real green moss, but I literally cut a piece of the Spanish moss and just tucked it under where the holes were. And I'll do that on both the big and the little. You could use a hot glue gun, but it worked for me just to tuck it in. And there you have it, a succulent pumpkin.